the sound of OA。它发 O 是 O 的长元音。我们来读这些句子。第一个句子是 John likes oats。 对，没说错。John took the boat farther out to sea later
in the night.
Later in the night. John is a basketball coach.
篮球教练，对吧？
对。
继续。
John joined the Toastmaster Club.
Toastmasters Club 是一个什么呀？是一个练习演讲的一个俱乐部。
John likes roast beef.
This is roast beef.
对。John gets soaked in the rain.
Here, got, not get. Is G-O-T, got. 所以你要看。
I just say wrong.
Okay. He got soaked in the rain.
Yes.
继续。
John give me a loaf and bread.
A loaf of bread. This is a loaf of bread.
Yes. John relaxed, floating carefully, gently in the water.
Gently. What's the meaning of gently?
小心。
轻轻的，对吧？好，这个图你看。I think this man is floating gently in the water. 好，that's all for today. See you next time.